Hello, welcome to this wonderful city of Paris.
On behalf of CIGRE UK Next Generation Network, welcome to the Paris Session 2012. We hope you have a fantastic week.
Hello, I'm Colin Ray and I am the Secretary for the CIGRE UK National Committee. In around 2007, we decided to address the lack of young professional engineers joining CIGRE in the UK. To that effect, we decided to set up a young members group which was kick-started around October 2007 at the McLaren Formula One Centre, at which Jean Caval, the then Secretary-General, came to join us and talk about CIGRE. From this moment on, the next generation, or NGN as it's referred to, was born. Starting with a group of around 20 active members, the numbers grew and the NGN began to manage themselves, forming a committee and holding regular meetings, then reporting to the National Committee on an annual basis. CIGRE NGN provides a route to quickly understand and engage with CIGRE organisation. At the same time, you can build and develop a network of contacts with like-minded individuals in the UK. This can also be done overseas, as CIGRE NGN establishes links with groups of young engineers in countries such as the USA, Germany, Japan and China. CIGRE NGN has been a fantastic success, but it is in some respects only the appetizer. Once inside the CIGRE world, you'll find that it's a tremendous help within your career as you learn from colleagues. You'll be able to establish long-lasting friendships with engineers across the world, be able to develop more rapidly as an individual, and be able to demonstrate to your employer the benefits that CIGRE can bring to your particular organisation. At current, the NGN is subsidised by the UK membership, but we feel this is worthwhile, as we have increased our UK membership by over 200 and had a new supply of young professionals integrating themselves into task forces, working groups, and actively contributing to CIGRE work. CIGRE challenges the established way of finding alternatives to treat growing electricity demands, fighting climate change, and minimising our environmental impact. The UK Next Generation Network allows young engineers to make a positive difference to the development of technology and society for our planet for generations to come.
Hello, I'm Erin Oguna and I'm a system design engineer at Alstom Grid and the current chairman of the CIGRE UK NGN. For my role at Alstom, it is vital to keep abreast with technical advancement in the field. In this respect, CIGRE helped me vastly. I was involved with the NGN early on and I witnessed the initial growth and the maintenance of consistent member numbers. In the initial years, we thought the problem with the age gap was inherently a UK-only issue. On talking with national bodies at the 2008 and 2010 Paris sessions, we realized this was a bigger problem that affected more than the UK. So at the 2010 session, we took details of individuals who wished to be kept informed or who wanted to arrange their own young member groups. As the current chair of the NGN, I have seen the economic climate affect the engineering sector, with it becoming harder finding members or companies who can spare time for meetings or organizing events. At the same time, I have seen new members make new acquaintances, help build inroads to new technologies, and answer specific technical issues crossing the company boundary. This is with the aim to improve understanding of the technology. In my tenure, we are starting to see formation of other young engineering groups around the world. I feel a sense of pride that we are leading the way. Like any other organizations, we have had pitfalls, but we hope to help other organizations from making the same mistakes. We have also had great successes too, like our monthly national newsletter. It is my hope that the NGN will become global and help support the main activities of the CIGRE technical bodies.
Hello, my name's Ian Shearer and I work for RWE Empower Renewables. As a recent member of the NGN and a newcomer to the renewable industry, I am surprised at the impact CIGRE has within our industry. In particular, as the renewable industry finds its feet, organisations such as CIGRE drive new technology and best practice. I see CIGRE as an important part of my company's future, both in terms of shaping technology and as a way to maintain contacts throughout the renewable and wider power industry. The NGN provides me with a way to interact with CIGRE as an organisation and understand how it works from an early stage in my career. It also helps me develop my technical expertise through attendance of technical visits and use of the eCIGRE Technical Document Library. With new wind power plant developments, RWE needs to ensure we have the right set of tools at our disposal to make a good project a great project. CIGRE helps us achieve this. For me, the NGN provides me not only a head start into the world of CIGRE, but excellent contacts and access to technical resources.
Hello, I'm Angela Rotherham and I'm a Power Systems Engineer at Parsons Brinckerhoff and the current Vice Chair of the CIGRE NGN. Working for a consultancy company, we are required to have knowledge and expertise in a range of topics in our field. The main way that CIGRE NGN has helped me in my career is that it has allowed me to network with engineers from the broad spectrum of the power industry, distribution network operators, transmission system operators, and manufacturers. It's given me the chance to make contacts with engineers who specialise in a range of subjects, such as HVDC, smart grids, and offshore wind. And it has been a fantastic opportunity to meet like-minded people. Not only has it given me the chance to learn, share, and resolve issues, I have also made some good friends with people who I may otherwise not have met. I've been in CIGRE NGN for nearly 2 years now, and as soon as I joined, I wanted to get actively involved, and so I took on the newly created role of International Liaison. The aim of this role was to help promote similar initiatives to the UK CIGRE NGN around the world. There's been a great deal of international interest, and there are now similar NGN groups in China, USA, New Zealand, and Germany. We have had meetings with our German counterparts and attended the Game Changers Symposium in America. This has allowed us to facilitate and organise a truly international NGN stand at this year's Paris session, which I'm really excited to be a part of.
Hi there, I'm Richard Wallace and I work for the National Grid. I'm an NGN member and the International Liaison for the NGN. It's my job to keep in contact with other CIGRE members around the world. I try to engage with other NGN groups and have had a great response from the international community. CIGRE is a truly international organisation with a large number of members from different backgrounds. And there are many different aspects of CIGRE, including technical committees, research forums, and site visits. And as a member, you get access to all of these. Our site visits can be anywhere. We can go from HVDC converter stations to new substations that are being erected or offshore platforms. My current role requires me to work on various transmission projects using a varied range of electrical equipment. And this can be anything from overhead lines to transformers and switchgear. And to help me get a better understanding of the industry as a whole, I use CIGRE to network with suppliers, transmission companies, and generators.
The CIGRE NGN initiative aims to support young people entering the industry, offering the opportunity to extend their knowledge and experience, aiding their personal development and career prospects. This is achieved in various ways. Firstly, the industry is comprised of many different companies, each contributing their own speciality. Technical visits are offered as a unique way to experience the many skills across the whole electricity power industry, and is a key aspect to personal development while providing an appreciation of the role of each company. Secondly, the CIGRE events, working groups and published papers allow you to engage with the UK and international experts from all parts of the industry. This provides a learning experience from past events and how others are meeting the future challenges. Sharing of views between countries can help deal with your own work while helping others achieve their goals. Thirdly, a key value of CIGRE is its working group activities. Experts meet to discuss and debate current issues of common interest and publish their views and findings. NGN members can participate in these working groups and gain experience from the experts. who in turn benefit from fresh thinking and ideas from NGN members. And finally, all the working group papers are published on CIGRE, which NGN members have access to, and provide a rich source of information. The papers are the collective view of international experts and therefore provide a benchmark on each topic. This becomes a point of reference used throughout the industry. The NGN have helped the UK National Committee, which are a great resource to have available and when utilised and directed are a great wealth of knowledge. They have helped with the 2020 strategy for the CIGRE UK. They initiated a newsletter for the NGN members, and this is now a newsletter that keeps the UK members informed of UK activities and international events. The NGN started technical visits at its inauguration. Since then, there have been at least 4 visits per year to various sites around the UK, as well as in France during this Paris session. Future energy solutions are emerging now. Be one of the people that help shape the energy-efficient world of tomorrow. I think their words are the key.
Inform. Engage.
Network.
Develop.